IP. Before you can go online with a controller via an Ethernet IP network, you need to assign an IP address to the controller. You can assign the controller's IP address using a variety of tools. We are going to use RSLogix 5000 software. You need to be online with the controller to assign the controller's IP address using RSLogix 5000 software. We will go online using a serial connection. Important: this procedure assumes that you are using an isolated network and that your controller is on the same subnet as your workstation. If you are not using an isolated network, contact your network administrator to determine valid controller IP and subnet addresses for your location. To assign an IP address to a controller, create a new project by performing the following actions. From the File menu, choose New. From the Type drop-down list, choose the type of controller you are using. Choose the revision of the software. Type a name for the project. Click OK. Download the project and go online by performing the following actions. From the Communications menu, choose Who Active. Select the controller. Click Download. In the Download Confirmation dialog box, click Download. The project is downloaded and online with the controller. In the Controller Organizer, right-click the controller's Ethernet port local and then choose Properties. If you are using a controller that does not have a built-in Ethernet port, you will need to add an Ethernet module to the I/O configuration. Click the Port Configuration tab. Clear the Enable Boot P checkbox. Reminder: if you are not using an isolated network, contact your network administrator to determine valid controller IP and subnet addresses for your location. In the IP address text box, type a valid IP address for the controller. Determine the subnet mask your workstation is on by performing the following actions. From the Desktop Start menu, choose Run. Type CMD and then click OK. Type ipconfig and then press Enter. Your subnet mask and workstation's IP address are shown. Record your subnet mask. Close the command window by clicking the Close button in the upper right corner of the window or typing Exit and then pressing Enter. In the Subnet Mask text box, type your subnet mask. Record the controller IP address and subnet mask for future reference. Click the Set button. In the Confirmation dialog box that opens, click OK. In the Properties dialog box, click OK. Go offline by choosing Go Offline from the Communications menu. The new IP address has been assigned to the controller. Now you are ready to configure an Ethernet IP driver on your workstation so you can communicate over an Ethernet IP network to the controller.